Does she got a name?
Mabel. That's what
Abel?
Mabel is.
Mabel. Mabel. Hi, Mabel. You want to see Mabel, Ralph? Check out Mabel, Ralphie. Are you scared of Mabel? What do you think of her gun? What do you think of her gun? Huh? Come over here and see her. Are you coming to see her or not, Gun? Ralphie is not coming either. Ralphie, you look cold, honey. Mom's cold too, babe.
He's going back. Yeah.
Hi, Raymond. Hey, Bucky. We got a new friend for you. But I want to put her in the barn so she knows where it is. But you should come visit her. Come on. Hey, ladies, where you going? Come here. Come back. We have a friend. The other one's all the way over there. I want to put her in there. She can come out. Yeah.
She probably won't come out. I had to dump the other one out.
Mabel.
Or I could leave the cage here and let her come out on her own.
That's okay. You can do that too. Yeah. Hey, Mabel. Come on, Mabel. What do you think, Mabel? I think y'all's crazy. I've been kidnapped. Poor little Mabel. What, Clutch? What'd you say, Clutch? Come on out, Mabel. Mabel. Well, there she went, Mabel.
New place.
She's on alert. She looks tiny for 2 years old, but I guess she's just a different breed.
Yeah. She'll be alright. We got plenty of room to run around.
Oh, yeah. I just hope they all become friends. It don't look like they're going to be mean to her. I was worried. Matter of fact, she's heading towards them instead of away from them, so that's a good thing. You missed it. I tried to show you. I'm wondering who she's going to go see first. I keep thinking them girls are going to come this way.
The one was looking.
Huh?
The one was looking at her.
Yeah. Raymond just don't care. What do you think, Gunner? Are you checking her out? Are you checking her out, Gun? Oof. Silly boy.
You want me to leave that in there for her? I don't think so.
No, I don't think she'll go back in it now. No, I was just moving her to the side and she flipped out. I think she's gonna make her way over there to them. Look at Raymond.
I see you.
What is he doing? Is he cleaning him?
Smelling wet.
Everybody looks cold.
Here we go.
Have fun, Mabel. Go out and make some friends.
Should I strut around?
Yeah, go over there with the other ladies. They'll teach you the ropes.
Yeah, she's already pecking.
She's already, yeah, that's what I started to say. She's already eating, so that's good.
How old are yours?
They're probably, I really don't know. 4 or 5 now. It's okay, Mabel. She's already found the scraps. That's where we dump the scraps out for the animals. Oh, he was upside down. I missed it. So full of energy. He cracks me up. Yeah. She's found the scraps. She's found where we dumped the scraps. Everybody's napping. And listen to the snoring.